I want to show the difference between a Cat 5 and a Cat 4 drawbar. It's going to cover Steiger, QuadTrac, T9 series tractors. So the implement pin is a different size, but that can be, I'm going to show you why that can't be always used. First, let me show you that. So yes, a Cat 5 does have a larger hole, but if you see this one here, it has the bushing in it for Cat 4. So if someone doesn't know and they drop a pin in it, someone could say this is Cat 4, which would get you the wrong drawbar. We don't want to do that. So what I like to do, if it's on the tractor, there is a physical difference. This is a Cat 5. What you have is you have these, I call them ears, but these two ears are where the bolts go to the lower support plate. And on a Cat 4, it does not have those. So they both have the tow hook, both have the hammer strap, but no ears. Now, if it's off the tractor, where we see them a lot of times, or maybe you're at a farm sale, Cat 4 has one hole, Cat 5 has two holes. Pretty simple. But no one wants to crawl underneath the tractor to look for that. So if it doesn't have a hammer strap and it's just a drawbar, then you would go back to that only has one hole, or one hole size. Or this, if you just pay attention, that is a bushing, and that could be knocked out. So I hope this has helped. Hope it helps us get you the right part the first time.